Hello hoppers and welcome to MuchoHop. Today I'm filming because I have a Air Europa flight, and I don't think I ever filmed a Air Europa flight. It's hard to say, Air Europa. Today I'm going A Coruña, Madrid, and then I'm flying to Frankfurt. To Terminal 2 in Frankfurt and Terminal 2 in Madrid. I chose Air Europa because the price was right and they allow you to bring 2 bags. I have the typical 55 centimeter bag and then a personal bag. So let's check our flight. It's the 12:35 going to Madrid. It's Air Europa 7234. Boarding is at 12:05 at gate 3. That's where you scan your boarding pass to go in the secure zone where the boarding gates are. And once you pass, you go through security. I went through security, no problem. Now a coffee. Today I have a companion. I like these Air Europa planes because they're new and they're very spacious.
In the seat pocket in front of you, you will find the instructions that include.
Okay, we just arrived. It says T3 and we're at E80 something. Okay. When you have a connecting flight, the first thing you have to do is look for your next flight. There is my flight at 3:10 Frankfurt, Air Europa 1509, and I have to go to gate E83. I have to stay here within E. I arrived at E and I'm leaving from E for my second flight. But if you had to go to other parts of the airport, you see there F, D, C, B, and A, and it tells you how long it takes you to get to each area. So E83 is this way. So we have to go upstairs. Always confirm, make sure you're in the right place. So E83, going to Frankfurt. Boarding time 2:10. So handbag, this is the allowance. We are in Terminal 3. But if you have to go to Terminal 1, Terminal 2, or the other gates of Terminal 3, or if you want to go to baggage claim, you have to go down. Wait, let me show you. There are people there. Can't film it? Okay. You have to go down. So if you want to go to Terminal 4, then I would go towards exit and then take the airport bus there that goes to all the different terminals. Lots of people and lots of bags, lots of handbags, because you're allowed to. Okay, we have to walk towards baggage claim, exit. Exit baggage claim to the right. Baggage claim. And now we just go towards exit, which is over there, and we have nothing to declare. First thing we do when we get to Frankfurt is we buy 3 pretzels. So now I walk towards the exit, and actually I realized I have filmed Terminal 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you guys real soon in my next video. Bye!